So to enter in your answers, you're going to work these out on paper pencil first. Use your rules of adding integers, a positive plus a positive, a negative minus a negative. Once you get your answer that you want, and this is not the answer, I'm just showing you how to enter the answer. You're going to put the fraction together. So if the answer was like 1 1/3, I would put the 1 here. And if it's 1 1/3, a 1 here for my top number and a 3 here for my bottom number. If I thought the answer was 1 1/3. If you get the whole thing right, then all of these 3 boxes would be green. So you can see, like, I got this part right, but my fraction's not right. So that lets you know to go back to your work and do it again. And then once you're done, submit it. Email me if you have any questions or need any help.